As a result of this, the person more enlightened, more empowered, and more enriched. Learning to do. Learning to do refers to putting the knowledge to practice. Competency is necessary for acquired knowledge to get into practice. One's competence is assessed by looking at various skills like social behavior, self initiative, working hard, etc. These are often referred as interpersonal skills. Besides knowledge, other activities like communication, problem solving skill, taking decision through discussion, team building, establishing rapport with others are essential to serve in the service sector. Personal competence includes skills like social behavior, self initiative, working hard, communication skill, skill of adaptability, leadership skill, working skill, social responsibility, establishing a rapport with others, life skill, learning to live together. Learning to live together in peace and harmony is a dynamic and holistic process of learning and internalizing social values and practicing them throughout life. That is, the base need for living in harmony with others is learning and practicing in life the social skills and values like having respect and concern for others, realizing the need and importance for unity and friendship among people who differ in several ways based on caste, race, religion, language, culture, etc. For making the students to learn this, undermentioned approaches could be followed. First one, in the early childhood, focusing on students discovering the diversities among people around them. Second one, from latter childhood onwards, making students to involve themselves enthusiastically throughout in their life in common community programs. Third one, teacher may explain about human diversity to students. Fourth one, school subjects like geography, history, foreign languages, literature, history of religions, citizenship education, etc. lend themselves to teach the students similarities and differences that exist among human groups and interdependency among human groups. Fifth point, involving students the common projects that benefit the society, encouraging students to learn through collaborative projects. Seventh one, teachers and students by involving themselves in common projects that are beneficial to the society like renovation of slum areas, helping senior citizens, participating in mass literary programs, undertaking social service, undertaking awareness program to propagate prevention of environmental degradation, need for safeguarding human rights, participating in the movement for prevention of AIDS and drug abuse. Next content, learning to be. This refers to all round development of the whole person, unlike soap cakes, all people do not have the same nature and characteristics. Various inherent potentials are there in each individual. The main aim of education is to nurture those potentials and make every individual a unique personality. Stated in brief, the main aim of education is to help the student to develop his inherent talents and abilities and develop the body, mind, and spirit. Thank you guys. ஸோ இதுதான் டிலாஸ் கமிஷன் ரிப்போர்ட்டோட ஆன்சர். ஸோ ஸ்டடி அண்ட் லீவ் த கமெண்ட்ஸ் இன் த கமெண்ட் செக்ஷன்.